Agreed. I'm really big in security, but I've also learned that when you're working with people that do not have that understanding or capacity for it, once again with the knowledge gap, they went to work of ease and not understand that there's some stuff that needs to be done with it. And getting through those like executives or CEOs of the companies to understand that, it's really hard. It's frustrating. It's like, that's why I have no hair anymore, you know?
Well, when you're talking to executives, you're probably the first person that week to tell them no on anything. So I
like saying it to them, they don't like hearing it.
Yeah.
So they stare me down. I get really
but in the end, they value you because you're telling them the truth and they can rely on what you're telling them. So that's
100%. I won't
huge value for
stop
MSP.
fighting.
Yep.
Well, thank you, Josh. It's been a pleasure for us. If people want to look your company up or anything, where can they find you? Where are you located?
Absolutely. So if you go to Qumulex.com, you'll see access to all of our social channels, access to all of our video library. We have a lot of great white papers, instruction manuals, data sheets, collateral, really just to explain anything you want to know about QX control. And you can find us, on LinkedIn and all those social channels as well. So Qumulex.com is a great place to start.
Hell yeah.